New to this channel, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. All right, get your yoga mat ready and then take the dumbbells. Now we are into the upper body strength. So take the dumbbells, let the arms hang loose. You bend to the front doing the deadlift. Keep the feet shoulder width apart, and all the time during the movement, the foot should have full contact with the ground. Now, the way we're going to do the next part, we stop halfway, and when we're coming up, also we stop halfway. So this is so that we can remove the swing momentum. When you know you have to stop halfway, then swinging is not possible. Beautiful. Wonderful, guys. I wish I was at home so that I could. All right, next one, we bend forward, we stay in this position, and then we pull up until the elbows go past the back. Push the chest to the front, not like this, but like this. That way our back has a good posture. Esther Wanjiku, better late than never. Welcome, happy week, happy new week. Beautiful. Yes. Now, you know, we were doing this deadlift, but when we are upright, we do bicep curls. So you stand upright. So this is a high volume workout. No matter the weight, you are going to feel it. Beautiful. I think I chose the wrong timer, but let's continue. Now stand upright, pull upright, row. It's now that I noticed that our timer is only 10 minutes. But no problem, I know how we are going to do it. Beautiful. So we do 10 minutes just back pull workout. Now we bend here, we pull, we come upright, upright row, bent over row to upright row.
You have to go and drive me so crazy. Now feeling lost without you, and I just
beautiful. Now we're going to do hammer curls. Hammer curls, the knuckle or the palms keep on facing the thighs, and then these are the hammer curls. Keep the elbows at the same position. So notice the elbows are not going like this. That's how you minimize the swing momentum and fully extend the elbow. Beautiful. Wonderful, guys. Now, bent over row. One, the palms are facing the thigh, and then you come down, you rotate, push your chest to the front, so that your back is in a good posture. I'm not like this, but like this. So you will feel the difference when you're in a good posture. So this is bad. When you're working the back, you should be in this position. Or even when you're lifting something from the ground, you should have a straight back. Beautiful. Now, let's go again. Bent over row, you come upright. You do bicep curl, and then upright row. You go down. You come up. Bicep curl. Upright row. Down. Wonderful. Yes. Hammer curls are coming. Double. So we'll have a short break, and then after the 3 minutes remaining, then we will continue. Beautiful. Now bend here as if you want to do bent over row, but now you're just doing bicep curls from this position. Back is in a good position, not like this, but like this. So you push your chest to the front. Beautiful. Stand upright. Next one, we're going to just do isometric contraction with forearms twisting. Control the way you're twisting the forearms. Wonderful. Yes. Now we are going to do, this is the deadlift. You come upright. Once you're here, you bring, you curl, you put the hands down, you go back into the deadlift. High volume for body toning. So body toning means looking at someone's body, you see that there is no skin hanging loose. Beautiful. So workouts like this combined with a good nutrition gives wonderful results. Okay, now we do one bicep curl, one hammer curl. Only one round after this. Beautiful. Now we are going to bend over row to upright row. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. There you have it, a 10-minute pull workout. Yes, yes, yes. Wonderful. The next part, we are going to stretch the upper body mainly, the back, the chest, and the shoulders. It's going to take 5 minutes. All right. So come into the bridge. And then we're going to start with the cat-cow stretch. So in the cat, you really push hands into the ground and you're trying to look at your navel. Beautiful. Now lie down, bring hands below your shoulders, push into the cobra. Go down slowly. Now put one hand on the ground and then you turn to that side and you put one leg down. So keep the hands as straight as you can and you will feel a good stretch in the shoulder and the chest. Now go to the other side, straighten the hand and then lift your hip and then rotate the leg over the straight leg and just maintain the position. Beautiful. Now lie looking up and then bend one leg 90 degrees, let it fall over the other, and then take this hand, put pressure on the leg so that you do as if you're pushing it towards the ground. Beautiful. Bring it back to the center, bend the other leg, and then you push it towards the ground. Beautiful. Let's stand up. Now put one hand behind and then pull at the elbow, wide stance, and then you bend so that you stretch also the obliques, the serratus. Come back to the center, the other hand. Beautiful. Put the weight of the hand on the neck. Go on the other side now. so that the last 20 seconds we keep them for the back of the neck. 10 more seconds on this side. Okay, both of your hands in the back of the head. Beautiful. Thank you so much. Namaste. If you want to be among the ambassadors of this community, all you have to do is to invite 1 or 2 people, and I will add you among the ambassadors of this channel. Thank you so much. Wonderful. So help this channel by sharing the workout with 1 or 2 people. It's always a pleasure having you guys. Barbara James, Winnie saying thanks, Coach Remy. Thank you so much, and happy new week, everybody. Remember, movement is the best gift to the body, best medicine without any side effect. So by working out, actually you relieve your body from stress, and so you can work out, you can go out for a walk, you can do other physical activities such as dancing. Just do whichever activity you love doing, and make sure you're gifting yourself a good dose of movement. Barbara Jen saying, well done, home fit farm, lifting, strength, and then clapping. Indeed. Happy new week, and I'm going to end the live stream here, and I will see each one of you the next time. And if anybody has a question, you can always type it in the chat and I can cover it at the end. Thank you so much and have a lovely week. Richmond saying, great workout. Thanks, Coach Remy. Thank you also. You guys also motivate me because I know you will be there to push me while I push you. This is our channel. This is our Home Fit family. Yes. Thank you so much, and bye everybody.